Kihumo kia mitugo miega mathukuru-ini kianjagia makanitha-ini. Iyo niyo yuma mĩario ya President Uhuru Kenyatta kuri atongoria othe a ndini hindi ya igongona ria Mathiko ma muthikabu John Njenga kiharo-ini gia thukuru wa University wa Nairobi. President niathanire gucokio gwa thukuru iria ciambiriirio ni kanitha rungu rwa urugamiriri wa kanitha ta hau kabere.
And the Ministry of Education, and I'm saying it for the last time today, I want you to ensure that you restore that sponsorship back. And secondly, you have 1 week in which to restore all church-owned land and schools back to their rightful owner.
Nige augire thirikari ni ikurutithania wira hakuhi muno na thukuru niguo gucokia mitugo miega thiini wa mathukuru guku bururi-ini.
Look at the level of some of the activities where school children are taking it upon themselves to burn schools. It tells you there is something missing in their lives.
Augite maundu maria makoretwo makioneka mathukuru-ini maronania ati mitugo ni irahaguka, akiuga thirikari ndikwirorera kuona mitugo ikihaguka nginyagia ifacane.
I want to give you my assurance today that we must restore the chaplaincies so that we can mentor and spiritually guide our children from a very early day.
Kahinda-ini o kau Kenyatta ni agathiririe muthikabu Njenga ta mutongoria uria igwite na urarutagira Ngai wira o undu mwe na bururi atetigiirie.
And he played a huge role in ensuring that the church and government were able to walk together.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa President William Ruto awatire muthikabu Njenga ta kionereria akiuria atongoria othe a ndini marumire muhano wake ona makiria.
And he's demonstrated that he was a selfless person. He didn't do the things that would benefit him, but he did the things that would benefit humanity.
Bishop John Njenga akoretwo ari muthikabu wa kanitha wa Catholic miena itiganite guku bururi-ini na anakorwo agitongoria ngwataniro ya mabishop a Catholic alita chairman. Akuire tariki nya mweri uyu turi thutha wa ndwari ya ihinda inini ari no ukuru wa miaka 90 na niguo kumutia muthikabu John Njenga athikirwo thiini wa kanitha wa Holy Family Basilica guku Nairobi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Inooro Wangui.